Did you know that in WhatsApp you can send instant video messages directly in chats? Watch until the end and you will learn how to easily activate and use this feature. Plus, I will share some useful secrets. So let's get started. First, make sure you have the latest update of the WhatsApp and afterwards simply click on WhatsApp icon to open the app and select the chat where you want to send an instant video message. Simply click on the chat and afterwards click and hold the camera icon so you start the recording of the video message. So a timer will appear on the screen showing how much time you have left to record. It's up to 60 seconds. Record the video and release the button to stop recording. The video will be sent to the chat automatically and will play automatically on the recipient's device. And also, if needed, switch between the front and rear cameras as necessary. Now your contact will receive a new video message which will play immediately in the chat. So if this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. This gives me motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.